Lucas are going to Tofino tomorrow, and I'm very excited. I try to go once a year. It's a really great getaway from Vancouver craziness. So we're gonna do a little roadie. One of my besties just moved to a small town on the island as well, so gonna go visit my northern girly. That's gonna be really fun. Been doing a lot of prep today. I went thrift shopping, got a few new cute fits. Gonna prep like our drive food. I have a dairy allergy and Lucas is vegetarian. I'm primarily vegetarian as well now, so we cook vegan together most of the time. And I think I'm gonna make a pesto tofu gouda sandwich. See, vegan can sound good too. Got some gluten-free bread for the sandwiches and some microgreens, some raw almonds, a lemon for guacamole, oranges, running out of room already. This is the vegan smoke gouda I was talking about. It's really good. It's cashew based. My favorite RX bars. Tofu, of course. Tomato. I got a shallot. I've never really cooked with a shallot before. Maybe this is surprising to some people. I just usually like the regular onion, but we're leaving, so I don't want like a whole onion to rot in my fridge. So I thought this was a good, I don't know, we're gonna see. Apparently it's sweeter. And then straws, of course. My plan is to prep all the snacks first and little to-goes, and then I'll start on the sandwiches. Best shit I've ever made in my life. Are you joking? Opening the Super 8. I've never seen one in person, actually, now that I think about it. Wow. It's pretty cool.
Because it's a small camera at Super 8, it's probably, instead of 66, this is probably more like 200, and the 6 is probably more like a 24.
That's a lot of words I don't really understand.
And it has autofocus.
You're kind of geeking out.
Yeah. Yeah. So.
Kind of looks like a gun, like, you know?
Yeah, totally.
So
that's what I love about it. You're literally shooting. Okay, there it is. That's probably all you do.
Yeah.
So now if I roll it, we'll be actually recording.
Yeah, so
which we
don't do. Yeah.
Look at this here. huge rush.
Your Crocs are giving Grandpa Core. Something about the gray.
Thank you. I picked the gray specifically. There was like 6 gray options, and this is the one I wanted.
Good morning. We're all packed and ready to go. I think Lucas is just grabbing the last of the stuff. And then we're about to hit the ferry to the island. I see an eagle. I didn't know they had geckos here. We made it to the island. Yeah. And now we're going to, what's the name? It's called Niagara Falls, but it's not actually Niagara Falls.
Gold Stream River.
Yeah. It's this really cute waterfall. Are you kidding me? This is terrifying.
What do you mean?
You're going to that?
Yeah.
Good morning. We just spent our first night on the island and with my family, which was nice. We're just about to go to the beach with my friend Kelly.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a lot of fun. I got the ylang ylang one. Is that how you pronounce it?
I don't know.
Should be good though. I like how it's like their own goats.
Oh. Hi, buddy. I thought it was gonna be fat, but it's naked.
She is fat. We just got to Kelly's. Oh, I have a friend. And we're gonna hang outside. It's so pretty here.
You stopped throwing the
Yeah.
rocks. I was like, this can't be good for your teeth.
Like sticks and stuff.
Throw the rock in to the lab.
excited?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Me and Lucas are matching with our blue today. We are on our way to see some sea caves, hopefully. We just got gatekeeped by
A gatekeeper?
A literal gatekeeper. It was an entrance to a hotel. Oh, we're running across the road. It's an entrance to a hotel, and then like past it, there's a way that you can get to this trail, and she just was saying like, no, you kind of have to go all the way across the beach. Very interesting, but we're gonna find it. It's the goal, right?
Yeah.
It's our last day in Tofino, and we're gonna go do one more hike before we leave. And it's finally clearing up, so hopefully by the time we get to the lookout, it's gonna be really nice and clear. With our luck this trip, it probably will be. Yeah. We really lucked out.
And it was like coffee going on.
Thank you.
We are headed home. Tofino was closed, so we tried a new taco shop in Ukiah, and it was really good. Lucas really liked his taco.
So good.
Yeah. And the fish was so fresh. So very happy with how that turned out.